Welcome to Laboratory of Dreams. Welcome, little dreamers and their families, to our cozy corner of stories and dreams. This is the Lab of Dreams, where tales are woven with magic and love, meant to carry you softly into the land of dreams. Tonight, we have a very special story to share with you. It's called Milo's Moonlit Garden, a tale of a curious little bunny named Milo, who embarks on a gentle adventure under the moon's glow. So, snuggle up, get comfortable, and let's follow Milo as he discovers the wonders of the night and the secrets of the moonlit garden. Ready to drift into a world of gentle dreams and moonlit whispers? Let's begin our journey. In the heart of the lush meadow vale, under the soft blanket of twilight, lived a little bunny named Milo. Unlike his friends, who were nestled in their burrows, Milo's wide eyes sparkled with curiosity towards the night sky. One evening, as the stars began to twinkle, Milo whispered to his soft toy, Daisy the duck, about his wish. "I want to see the moonlit garden," he said. "A garden that only blooms under the moonlight, with flowers as bright as the stars." Daisy, though only a toy, seemed to listen intently, her button eyes shining in the moonlight. Milo, filled with determination, decided, "Tonight, I'll find the garden and see the magic for myself." With a heart full of dreams and a spirit of adventure, Milo took his first hop out of his cozy burrow into the cool night. The meadow, bathed in moonlight, seemed to welcome him with open arms. "Let's find the moonlit garden, Daisy," Milo whispered, setting off on his gentle adventure, his little paws softly padding against the dewy grass. The night, with all its quiet beauty, lay ahead, full of promises and whispers of enchantment. As Milo hopped through the meadow, the night wrapped around him like a soft, velvety cloak. The stars above twinkled merrily, as if they were guiding him on his journey. "Look, Daisy," he whispered to his toy. "The stars are lighting our way." Soon, Milo reached the edge of the whispering woods, where the trees stood tall, and the air hummed with the magic of the night. It was here, the story said, that the entrance to the moonlit garden could be found. Feeling a little nervous, but encouraged by the starlight, Milo bravely entered the woods. The trees whispered secrets in the breeze, and the leaves rustled underfoot, creating a symphony of nighttime sounds. Suddenly, from the shadows, a gentle voice said, "Hello, little traveler." Startled, Milo looked up to see Stella, a friendly star shining brightly just for him. "I've heard about your quest," Stella said, her light warm and inviting. "Follow me, and I'll show you the way to the moonlit garden." Grateful for the company, Milo hopped alongside Stella's light as it danced through the trees, leading him deeper into the woods. The night was alive with wonders, and even the shadows seemed to play along, creating shapes of friendly animals that frolicked alongside Milo. After a while, they reached a clearing where moonflowers bloomed, glowing softly in the moonlight. "You're close," Stella whispered. "Just beyond this clearing is the garden you seek," Milo's eyes sparkled with excitement. The moonlit garden was nearly within reach, and his heart fluttered with anticipation. With a soft "thank you" to Stella, he prepared to take the final steps of his journey. The path ahead was lit by the gentle glow of the moonflowers. Each step Milo took filled with wonder. The whispering woods, with Stella's guidance, had shown him a world of gentle magic he had only dreamed of. Beyond the clearing, under the watchful eyes of the stars, Milo found a hidden path veiled in silver mist. With a heart full of dreams, and Daisy, the duck, tucked safely under his arm, he hopped forward. The mist felt cool and soft, like the touch of a cloud saying hello. As the mist gently parted, Milo stepped into a sight that took his breath away. A garden aglow with the soft light of the moon. It was more beautiful than he had ever imagined. The moonlit garden was alive with flowers that shimmered like stars fallen from the sky. In the center of the garden stood a majestic tree, its leaves aglow with a soft lunar light. Beneath the tree, a clear pond reflected the moon, creating a dance of light and shadow. "Milo, welcome to the moonlit garden," a voice echoed gently through the air. Surprised, Milo looked around to find Luna, a wise old rabbit who tended to the garden. Her fur was as white as the moonlight, and her eyes sparkled with kindness. "We've been expecting you," Luna said with a warm smile. "The garden blooms for those who seek its beauty with a pure heart." Milo felt a rush of joy. "I've dreamed of seeing this place," he whispered, his eyes wide with wonder. Luna invited Milo to explore the garden, guiding him through the paths woven between the glowing flowers. As they walked, Luna explained, "Each flower here blooms from a dream, a wish for beauty and peace. They shine brightest for the little ones like you, who carry the light of curiosity and joy." Milo touched the petals of a flower that glowed a soft blue, feeling a sense of calm wash over him. The garden was magical, a place where dreams whispered on the wind and the worries of the day melted away. "May I come back?" Milo asked, his voice soft but eager. "Of course," Luna replied, her voice as comforting as a lullaby. "The garden is always here for you, under the light of the moon." As the night grew deeper, Milo knew it was time to return home. With a heart full of memories and a promise to return, he thanked Luna and began his journey back, guided by the gentle glow of the moonflowers. The moonlit garden had welcomed him with open arms, a place of beauty and peace, a reminder of the magic that lives in the world, waiting to be discovered by those who seek it with a pure heart. Beyond the moonflower clearing, Milo found himself at the edge of an even more magical sight. Before him lay the moonlit garden, bathed in the soft silver light of the full moon. The garden was alive with colors, even in the night, with flowers that seemed to glow from within, casting gentle light onto their surroundings. "Milo," whispered a voice as gentle as the night breeze. It was Luna, the guardian of the moonlit garden. She was an old, wise bunny with fur as white as moonlight and eyes filled with kindness. You found our secret garden. What brings you here on such a beautiful night? Milo, feeling a bit shy, but encouraged by Luna's warm welcome, replied, I wanted to see if the garden was real and to see the flowers that glow under the moon. Luna smiled, her eyes twinkling like stars. Well, you found it, little one. The moonlit garden is a place of magic and dreams. Each flower here blooms from a dream, a wish, or a kind thought. She led Milo on a gentle tour of the garden, showing him the dreamer's daisies, which sparkled with the hopes of children, the whispering willows whose leaves sang lullabies, and the starlight tulips, which shone with the light of distant stars. As they walked, Luna explained, the moonlit garden is not just a place of beauty. It's a reminder that even in the darkest nights, there's light and wonder to be found. Feeling inspired and filled with a sense of peace, Milo realized that the garden was much like the stories he loved so much, full of wonder, hope, and the magic of imagination. Would you like to plant a dream flower of your own? Luna asked, offering Milo a small, shimmering seed. With a nod and a smile, Milo planted the seed in a cozy spot under the moon's gentle gaze. I wish for everyone to find their own moonlit garden, he whispered. As they left the garden, Milo felt a warmth in his heart. He had found the magic he was seeking, and with it, a reminder of the beauty in the world. Thank you, Luna, Milo said, his eyes heavy with sleepiness, but his heart light with joy. I'll never forget this night. Nor will the garden forget you, Milo, Luna replied. Your dream flower will grow here forever, glowing with your kindness. As Milo made his way back home, the first light of dawn was touching the sky. He knew he would return to the moonlit garden in his dreams, a place where magic was real and every flower told a story. Nestled back in his cozy burrow, Milo drifted off to sleep, the adventures of the night becoming sweet dreams, with Daisy the duck tucked closely by his side. Thank you, dear listeners, for joining Milo and Daisy on their enchanting journey to the moonlit garden. We hope you found magic and wonder in the stars and moonflowers along the way, and that Milo's adventure has sprinkled a little stardust on your dreams tonight. If you've enjoyed this gentle tale and the journey through the whispering night with us, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring more magical stories and adventures to share with you at bedtime. And now, as our story comes to a close and the stars twinkle softly outside, we invite you to stay a little longer and listen to our magical sleep music. Let these soothing melodies carry you into a world of sweet dreams, where the wonders of the night sky watch over you with twinkling eyes. Thank you for being a part of our storytelling tonight. Sweet dreams.